Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best VR headsets in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is BNEXT VR Headset. This premium VR headset is the perfect present for Father's Day, Halloween, Easter, or Christmas. Compatible with smartphones and other mobile phone devices with a 4-inch 6.3 screen to bring you a totally immersive visual 360 experience. Compatible with smartphones with a gyro sensor, almost all models, and with a 4-inch 6.3-inch screen. VR goggles are compatible with models X, XR, XS, 8, 8 Plus, 9, 9 Plus, 11, 11 Pro, 12 Mini, 12 Pro, SE, etc. Also compatible with Samsung Android Galaxy Note 20, S20, OnePlus, Box VR, Google Pixel, etc. These headsets can also support drones that require a phone VR headset. This VR headset offers FD and OD adjustments, wide field of vision, to expand the viewing angle and perfectly match focal distance and unilateral myopic alignment for reduced distortion to ensure an optimal viewing experience. This headset comes with a fully adjustable head strap, eyesight protection system, and a soft nose piece to reduce pressure and ensure a comfortable experience. The VR headset, Viewer, is delivered with our special free VR content list of VR games and AMP VR experiences. Compatible with Google Cardboard apps that don't require a button, and many other VR apps and AMP adventures that can be found on the application stores. Number 2. Our second best pick is Pansonite VR Headset with remote control. This 3D VR is the highest quality for this price in the market. This VR headset offers strong quality and suitable design for wearing, which can show the immersive 3D virtual reality vision. Supports smartphones between 4-6 inches. Whether your phone system is an Android system or other systems, you can use the 3D VR to watch left-right 3D movies on video player and play varieties of VR games. The remote control is connected to the mobile phone via Bluetooth to get rid of the wire trouble. The small volume and lightweight gives you lots of comfort while using or carrying. It has soft and breathable leather padding that keeps you feeling good even after hours watching. The retractable virtual reality headset can fit your ears better. The stronger quality and suitable design provide you lots of comfort while using. Lenses with high precision and highlight transmission ensure clear images and effectively dissipate eye fatigue and the feel of vertigo. Pupil settings for the best 3D experience, even to those nearsighted. With it, you can get an incredible visual fidelity and immersive feeling. Number 3. Our third best pick is Amazon renewed PlayStation VR. Discover a new world of unexpected gaming experiences with this model VR. Redefine your expectations of immersion in gaming with moments so intense your intuition takes over. Step into incredible virtual worlds and overcome new challenges in extraordinary ways. Greatness awaits with this VR. With gamers in mind, PlayStation delivers a new world of unexpected gaming experiences through PlayStation VR. Play some of the most highly anticipated titles of 2016 on PSVR, including an all-new Star Wars Battlefront gaming experience in games like PlayStation VR Worlds, Golem, and Riggs Mechanized Combat League. Getting into PlayStation VR couldn't be easier. Just plug the PlayStation VR headset and your PlayStation camera into your PlayStation 4 system. You're ready to go. The feeling of being there starts with what you see. Seamless visuals keep you connected to the virtual world through an expansive 5.7 OLED 1080p display running at up to 120 frames per second. 3D audio with PlayStation VR means that you'll be able to pinpoint sounds above, below, and all around you. Instinctively turn your head to the source of a single footstep and be able to judge its distance, just as you would in real life. The PlayStation VR headset was engineered to be balanced, comfortable, and completely adjustable. It's designed to feel like it's not there, keeping you free from distraction as you explore new gaming worlds. The LEDs surround the PlayStation VR headset, on the DualShock 4 wireless controller, and the PlayStation Move motion controller are tracked by the PlayStation camera, providing an incredibly precise capture of your natural movement in virtual space. PlayStation 4 and camera are sold separately. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is PlayStation VR Marvel's Iron Man VR Bundle. Bundle includes PlayStation VR headset, PlayStation camera adapter, 2 PlayStation Move motion controllers, Marvel's Iron Man VR voucher, and PlayStation VR Demo Collection 3 voucher. 1 high-speed controller charger. This bundle has an PS4 controller. Using 2 PlayStation Move motion controllers, fire up Iron Man's repulsor jets and blast into the skies with an arsenal of iconic Iron Man gear at your fingertips. 2 PlayStation Move motion controllers required to play. Face off against one of Iron Man's greatest foes in high-stakes, action-packed battles. Upgrade tech in Tony Stark's garage to customize Iron Man's sleek armor and awesome abilities. Upgrade tech in Tony Stark's garage to customize Iron Man's sleek armor and awesome abilities. 2-hour fast PS4 wireless charger, double DualShock 4 PS4/PS4 Slim/PS4 Pro controllers simultaneously. No need to wait more time when charging 2 PS4 controllers. Save your time and have more fun. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is DESTEK V5 VR Headset with controller. We are bundling with a Bluetooth remote for maximum compatibility. Check the QR code on the product to get our picks for more recommended VR apps. The Bluetooth remote controller does not support Daydream apps. Invite your family and friends into your immersive, vivid virtual reality world. It would be a fun way to sample VR and experience some immersive content before diving in deep with expensive headset. Unlike most phone VR goggles, V5 provides universally accepting spaces for most glasses to suit more customer needs. Also, we designed the pupil distance button with a larger range to optimize your visual experience. Taking into VR games/movies/videos. The 110 degrees field of view makes you feel like an actual climber, not as a mere watcher or viewer. It balances immersion and clarity of view while providing you the most excellent virtual reality view to watch 360 degrees video. This V5 headset's for phone weighs as light as its concise appearance, only 13 ounce makes it more portable no matter at home or outdoors. T-shaped headbands will fit most head sizes, both adults and children, and reduce pressure around the face by adjusting the buckles on both sides. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.